A viewer called John was very kind to send me a couple of side vents for this Range Rover panel I've just put new vinyl on. I was really pleased about that because that gives me a head start to get this job done, because that means we can put the windows in. Now, these are the little clips they're held on. They're in the Land Rover workshop manual, they call them spire clips. But over here, well, you can't get them anymore, they're obsolete now. But you can use these things here. Push nut fasteners, 1/8. They're really tiny. See? They're really small, but they'll do the job because you can push them on with a socket, you see. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to pop the holes through for them using a hot soldering iron, like that. Like that. Well, you get the idea. Now the reason for this is we've got to cut the vinyl, but we don't want to cut too much out of it, if you see what I mean. So when we're going to make the holes before we cut it, because if not, what will happen is we could rip the vinyl. See? And then with a bit of luck, see, now you can see the holes. With a bit of luck and a sharp knife, we can cut those out. So those cut out lovely, and left the holes in there. Now, looking at this, there is still one on here. So I've got to get a pair of pliers and get that off carefully without snapping the pins. So there you go, nice end result. The insides, all nice, all the pins were on, so thanks for that, John, because if those pins have come off, we're kind of stuck. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that, because they were just painted black before, and they look really smart, so it's going to set that car off when it's got that nice burgundy colour. So, another job done and out the way.